few of the additional advantages, hopefully, that we're offering the families today is an awareness of the available programs offered by our new administration, what can be offered by many of the servicing companies that we deal with every day. We have a pretty good idea of what a certain servicing company, a Wells Fargo, a Countrywide, whomever, we normally have an idea what they're offering and what it takes to qualify that family. So we can give advice telling the family to call the loss mitigation department, steer clear of what is called the collection department, as many families have been offered workout plans that were not to their best advantage. So we try to set them on a course before they call the mortgage company. Here is the department to talk to. That's the loss mitigation department, where they have trained representatives to review the various options that they may qualify for. But if they're a payment behind, or if they have their current and they call the mortgage company, many times these families are told things like, well, call us back when you're 2 payments delinquent. Well, this is very frustrating for the family that would love to try to maintain their credit, but is trying to address the problem as early as possible. So we do our very best in cases like that. So there are certainly definite advantages to working with a counselor, because many times, there's usually a short period of time that a family is able to talk to someone in a loss mitigation department. Quite often, they never talk to the same person twice. It makes no difference. Large or small servicing companies, they are all overwhelmed today. Many of them are putting in additional phone lines, hopefully expanding their staff. So that's when it becomes so frustrating for a family. They'll say, Mr. Hanks, I called and I've got 3 different answers. We try to sort through that. We try to break it down and let that family know this is what's possible, and we feel, since we know your situation, your financial situation, and what your prospects for keeping the home are, here's what we want you to do. We do work with them closely in filling out the forms that are sent by the lender to attempt to get a modification. Many families are not sure how to answer the questions on a financial statement, or they have received maybe a modification, the terms, many families thinking that that's going to be the cure-all for them. After we analyze it and we look at every modification requesting that the family send it to us, we review those written modifications to be sure the terms are in the best interest of the homeowner. It's amazing how many come back with things that we find, then we talk to the lender and say, you know, we really need some additional modification here. This is not really in the homeowner's best interest. So again, these are just a few of the advantages, hopefully, that a housing counselor can offer.
Help is available. Go to our website, www.cincymortgagecrisis.org, or call 211 for referrals to trusted mortgage counselors.